All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can create channels on WhatsApp. So don't forget the new update on WhatsApp. Now you have update around here and you can see the different updates that you're following. So you can see different channels that you can follow. This Brain Jota 1.1 million, Broshagi 1 million, and the rest of the other channels that have been created. So you are looking at how you can create channels for yourself and your business, and you feel it's very important for you to create a channel right away. It's very simple to do. So, but one thing I've noticed is this. So for your all you need to do to create channel, you can see this channel and the plus sign. You're supposed to click on the plus sign and then see create channels and find channel. This is WhatsApp business. WhatsApp business. You can see that this is a WhatsApp business account. So you cannot, I don't think you can create a channel on a WhatsApp business, right? So I now notice that because I have two sets of WhatsApp. I have the WhatsApp business and WhatsApp Messenger. So let's open up the WhatsApp Messenger so you can see the updates on WhatsApp Messenger. So make sure that your both device they are up to date. So let's check channels for WhatsApp Messenger. Tap on plus sign. You can see create channel option. So that means you can create a channel for WhatsApp Messenger, and maybe it has not yet been updated for WhatsApp business. So if you have any information, please put it on the comment section. Let's know why we can't create channels for WhatsApp business, right? So let's create WhatsApp for this channel, for this particular channel. So let's see, create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. Channel are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history, right? People see your channel, not you. Your phone number, profile, and picture name aren't shown to the follower. You are responsible for your channel. Your channel needs to follow our guidelines, so you need to follow the guidelines. So I agree to that and want to name the channel. So let's name it Brando Enterprise. Okay, so that's the name of the channel I want to create. So for all your marketing needs and Facebook ads. Okay, so let's just leave it at that. I'll fill in this later. So let's tap. Let's see if we can add an avatar for it. Let's use an emoji or sticker for now. So later we would fill it in. So let's use something like this. Okay, or let's use teacup. Okay, let's use something like this just for the sake of this video, and give it a tick and then tap on create channels, right? Create channel. So let's see if it's going to be able to create the channel for us. So Brando Enterprise is accessible to anyone who wants to get access to Brando channel, right? So I can post content here and people can see the content on the channel. So how do I share this channel link for people to see? So you can see channel link up here. So I tap on channel link and I can copy the channel link and then share it with my customers and clients and people that I have on my WhatsApp list for them to check my channel, and then they can follow my channel, whatever it is. So you can share my channel on my status. Once I do that, I would, okay, it's showing the logo. I'll share the channel. It's that easy. So I've copied the URL. I can go. So let's search for. Let's go to Brando and let's go to the WhatsApp business and search for this particular channel. So let's find a particular channel. Let's say we want to look for the channel we just created now. Brando Enterprise. Brando Enterprise. So it's not yet showing. Maybe it will take a while for it to show up here, but it's not yet a popular brand, channel. So I think you cannot even see all the channels here. You can only see the most prominent channels from here, and if you search for a channel, it might not show up here. Okay, so it's not even showing up here. So but I'm sure after a while there are chances that the channels are going to pop up on this particular panel. So after I've gotten some sort of follower. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel if this video has been very helpful. I'd love to see you in subsequent videos. Thank you. I remain Akinbola Ezekiel.